Hi, welcome to Shibaura Machine e-learning. 108 tips for successful injection molding. I am C. Somaskandan, Head Application Engineering, Shibaura Machines India Private Limited. Today, we are going to learn about how to avoid short molding in plastic injection molded part. What is short molding? Short molding is an incomplete filling in a molded part. It comes in any component in a mold, which can be avoided by fine-tuning various processes. Let us understand the factors creating the short molding in plastic injection molding machine. Contribution from clamping unit of injection molding machine, contribution from injection unit of injection molding machine, contribution by process setting of injection molding machine, mold contribution, part design and polymer contribution. Let us understand process setting of a plastic injection molding machine. This contributes for short molding very easily. Injection pressure is an important parameter in an injection molding machine. If injection pressure is not set properly, it can lead for short molding. Injection speed or the injection velocity of molten material into the mold is an important parameter. If injection velocity is too low, the molten material may not reach the end of the part, leading for short molding. Always consider the injection speed, looking into the component wall thickness and mold runner gauge system. Switching over from injection to hold on phase is an important parameter in plastic injection molding machine. Defining the parameter of switchover is crucial, which can be considered based on the component wall thickness and number of cavity and mold design and mold gate point. Always select the right switchover point from injection to hold on. Having understood about injection to hold on switchover, which is very crucial, let us learn how to set hold on. Normally the hold on selection is based on the component wall thickness and number of cavity and gate system of a mold. Pressure too low or too high, both can contribute for short molding. The guideline for hold on pressure is based on the wall thickness and number of cavity. Normally the hold on pressure is about 30 to 40% of injection pressure. But when injection pressure is very high, the hold on pressure also needs to be high. So always consider the injection pressure also for selecting the right hold on pressure. Similarly, the hold on time is another parameter which needs to be considered correctly. If hold on time is too short, the gate may not freeze. If hold on time is too long, the gate would have frozen. Always set the right hold on time. The right mill temperature with the right injection pressure and velocity and the right switchover point from injection phase to hold on phase and hold on pressure avoids short molding in a plastic molded part.